Hello, it's Jim from Finish Line Friday and Sales Octane, and here's the question for the day. Why do salespeople fail? And if you're a manager, the response is almost always the same. Well, the salespeople don't follow the process, they don't make the calls, they procrastinate, they don't make enough prospecting calls, they don't get out and network. There's a number of reasons, and all valid. And then if you ask a salesperson, it might be, well, nobody's calling me back. I'm getting blocked. There's no business right now. COVID. In both cases, these are relevant reasons, but that's not the reason that salespeople fail. If you dig down on each one of these, you're going to come up with one word. Now, here's how I figured this word out. During COVID, I had some time on my hands, so I went back and went to the university and took some master's courses around what is called cognitive behavior therapy. It's how the brain works and learns new habits. And what we know is there's this significant moment when you have an idea or you see something cool like video messaging and you like some of the Finish Line Fridays and you're like, I think this is something that would stick and help me to really differentiate myself with my customers. But then that word kicks in, and the word is fear. Now, it masks itself as a lot of different things. Too busy, not the right equipment, can't make my mind up on something. But it's fear. It's fear, it's fear, it's fear. And the only antidote to fear is to do something. Like do it. Not try to do it, but to do it. If you try to raise your right hand right now, don't raise it. Just try to raise it. Nothing happens. Oh, I'm trying. But nothing happens. You have to actually do it. So I'm going to ask you this week to make the decision on what platform you feel most comfortable with. They are free for weeks, if not a month. So find the platform and do it. Make a video and see the reward and the reinforcement that you can do this. And then next week, pick up the process and move forward with video marketing. So you know what the rules are this week. Figure out what platform, download it to your computer, make one video, send it to your manager, and do it.